This event has been absolutely fantastic for the Global Health Network. It's been wonderful to be in Egypt and hear so many stories from researchers here, but also think about how the application of AI could really transform connecting up health researchers. So just this last couple of hours, we've spoken to oncologists, people working in areas like oral health, across the whole board really. And so what we've been thinking about is how we can apply AI and data science, but really it's been just a great opportunity for connecting up researchers and thinking about how they can strengthen their research connections in this whole Middle East and North Africa region, but also working to think about how we can bring in the best technology in data science and AI and use that to accelerate research teams across this region.
Today, I had the opportunity to attend this wonderful workshop on AI in healthcare. For me as a researcher, AI has potential in diverse fields, but the two most important aspects are AI in healthcare and education. Today, we met a diverse set of individuals belonging to various backgrounds and discuss how AI can be used in low-resource settings, such as in LMICs. The discussion focused on various aspects, such as identifying the opportunities in healthcare. What are the challenges in healthcare? How these challenges can be removed, or we can overcome those challenges by using AI and responsible AI, not only focusing on providing solutions, but solutions that can bring an impact. The overall goal is to set a platform that can be used, set a platform that we can build upon, to set a platform that can be used in various diverse settings in low resource settings. We are really looking forward the outcomes of this seminar and workshop will benefit professionals, researchers, and other individuals and stakeholders in adopting AI in healthcare. Thank you very much.
I'm Mohammed Al-Hadidi. I'm the director for the Center for Genomics at Zool City. We couldn't be any happier hosting this event that connects different disciplines from different geographical locations. And that event actually will be a kind of a seed for future collaboration with the Global Health Network and other partners as well. Thanks for all the partners. Thanks for Global Health Network for this event and looking forward to future collaboration.
Hello, I am Dr. Mahmoud Al-Fiqi. I am orthodontist. I am AI specialist. I really enjoyed this event. It was amazing. It's an honor to be in Zoel City and with this prestigious speaker. I really enjoyed the impact of AI in health care system, and I hope someday we're gonna have a solution, an Egyptian solution or a solution for this area, and we can change the formulation from the AI and healthcare. So I really enjoyed the speeches, the speakers, and I think it's very fruitful, and with the future will be more efficient, and I hope to see you soon again. Thank you.
So I was so happy to participate today in the workshop AI for Global Health. The event was perfectly organized. The panel had so much participation from the audience. I think there are many collaborations and opportunities can come out of this event. So thank you so much for having me in this workshop.
AI is everywhere. On these days, it is essential to develop national level of the AI or the regional level of the AI tools to support policy decision making. At the season of this essential season, this workshop helped us to build on the capacity and have insight greatly. I'm so happy to participate in this workshop. Truly appreciate our invitation and participation in this conference and workshop. Thank you so much for your invitation.